How to delete screen time data in Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Then click on search button at the top right. And then search screen time. Click on Digital Wellbeing. In here, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll find these options pop up. Click on Manage Your Data. Now, simply click on Daily Device Uses and turn it off. Make sure the circle is on the left side. After you're done, simply again click on three dots at the top and go to the same settings, which is Manage Your Data. After that, turn this on, Daily Device Uses. Make sure circle is on the right side. After that, you're good to go. This is how to delete screen time data in Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.